Introducing David Achom.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are joining us from. I'm super excited to be here for one. And that's because I know something powerful is going to happen today. I know something powerful is going to happen today. I know something powerful is going to happen today. So if you're here, I want you to first of all drop your location in the chat box. Where are you joining us from? All right. Where are you joining us from? I'm joining from Lagos, Nigeria. Where are you joining us from? I'm going to give you guys 30 seconds to do that very quickly. Whew. Okay, Samuel Olayemi, Ogun State. Akinloluwa Adeleye, Lagos State. Let's get more people. Onyekachi Ude, Lagos, Nigeria. Sharp. Let's get more people because I know we are more than 3 on the call. I know I can see the numbers. So more people should comment actually. So what you're gonna do to help yourself and help us is during the course of the live stream, make sure, keep dropping comments to help me know that you're with me. Okay? Help me know that you're with me. You have Daniel Leonard from Lagos State also. Amazing. You keep dropping comments to help me know that you're with me. Okay? Welcome, Precious Egbekuba from Kwara State. That's Ilorin. Amazing. Hmm. 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 Code with D. Lagos State. Oluwaseyi Ayobami, Lagos State. Why is everybody in Lagos though? By the way, if you're in Lagos, have you heard of the event that is happening on the 16th of August? 16th of August. It's like the biggest Forex traders meeting in Lagos on the 16th of August. Wisdom Ogun State. Okay, at least now we've gone out of Lagos a little bit again. Everybody Lagos, Lagos, Lagos. I was almost wondering why. It's only Lagosians we have. And I know we have some international audience too that are refusing to type. Go touch their heart and they'll type. Go touch their heart and they'll type. When I check the analytics, our most viewed country was Nigeria. After Nigeria, our second most viewed country was the US. The US had about 40% of our audience. I'm like, oh wow. Is it 40 or 30? I'm not sure. But a large number. We had I was so they show me the top 20 countries on the back end. I saw the top 20 countries and I was actually impressed. Um I was actually impressed. Top 20 countries. I was impressed, but I just think that we need to do more work. Basically, we need to do more work. That's all I can say. If you ask me, oh, we need to do more work. If you ask me, if you ask me, if you ask me. If you ask me, I think we need to do more work. Vincent from Port Harcourt, good stuff. Onyekachi Ude says, yeah, true event, I'll be there. Yeah, that's like one of the major things bringing me back to Lagos because I'll be out of Lagos. I'll be traveling on the second or third, I can't remember now. All right. But yeah, that's one of the major things bringing me back. I'll actually be coming back to Lagos. Oh my god. Okay, let's cut beyond all the back and forth. Like I always say, drop your location in chat box. So those who are just joining, I want to know where you're joining from. It's important for me to know, okay? Joy Upeno says Joy from Delta. Good stuff. Eniakile Omo Kelvin, good morning. Joshua Etonihu, good morning. Joshua is joining from Abuja. Abuja people, how are you doing, man? Today I'm actually going to be analyzing the markets. I'm Kelvin from Bells University. Kelvin, how are you doing, man? I'm going to be analyzing the market so that we can take trades. Oh no, like my aim is trade. My aim is just to take trades. Honestly, my aim is let's take trades. Let's take trades. No long talk. Let's just trade. No long talk. We'll just trade. Let's trade. Let's trade. Basically, that's my aim. Let us trade. Let's trade. Oh, if you're joining from any of the social media, if you're joining from my own personal YouTube page, you're joining from the company's YouTube page, It's the same live stream, don't worry, just different links. I figured out a way to stream to two different destinations together. In fact, I can even add Instagram, add Facebook, add everything. I'm like, oh, cool stuff. Figured out a way to go ahead with that. What you're actually going to do is give the video a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend it to other people. Basically, okay, give the video a thumbs up. Let YouTube recommend it to other people. Just do a thumbs up. Click it. That's all. Once you've done that, write 777 in the chat box. If you've liked and subscribed to this particular video, you subscribed and you've liked this particular video, just put thumbs up. Just write done. 777 rather. I want to see 777 in the chat box. I can see like 5 or maybe 10. I know that we are serious, and I'll go ahead with the next part of this class, which is to drop signals. Akinlua. Okay, Onikachi Ude, Akinlua, Adeleye, Samuel Layemi, Precious Egbekuba, Kelvin Omo, Joshua Itoniho. Good stuff. Okay. Samuel Ekuri. Good to see you, man. Good to see you, man. So I'll share my screen right now. Let's make money. Abatunde Akinwumi. That's how many now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Vincent Dim. 9 people. Oh, that's fair. That's fair. That's fair. I said 5 or 10, and we've gotten 9. I think that's fair. I think that's fair. And we got the 10th person finally. We even got 11. And then 12. Good stuff. Blessing, you're welcome. Lagos babes. Great people, actually. Anybody seeing Lagos has built a level of doggedness. That's one thing about Lagos. Anybody seeing Lagos has built a level of doggedness. Anybody seeing Lagos has built doggedness. Anybody seeing Lagos has built doggedness. 13 people now. Cool stuff. I'm serious. Any Lagosian you see, don't worry. They've built doggedness. They've built doggedness. Because Lagos is tough. Lagos is tough. Don't be lie. So if you are living in Lagos, they're tough. If you're living in Lagos and don't have a car of their own, they are very tough. Because they've learned to fly buses. They're living in Lagos, they don't have a car of their own, and then they're not living in a quiet environment. Oh, they are extremely tough. It means they've learned to find peace even in the noise. But Lagos is noisy and contaminated, except if you live in some cool parts. I mean, fortunately, by privilege of God, where I am, can hear it. I'm not living in Lekki yet. Oh, well, go give me money to go there. That place is for rich people. Personally, I don't fancy the hype. But yeah, let's call it rich people's zone. I'm not living in Lekki, but I'm not even living on the island. I'm living on the mainland. Somewhere calm in Ikeja. Somewhere very calm. I can think. My estate is very secure. Nobody can bash in. Oof. Yes, God is our security, actually. God is our ultimate security. Anyways, let's cut out of all of those and let's analyze the charts. Let's make money together. So just do yourself a favor and then don't be distracted. Like, don't be leaving the live and coming back. Like, actually do yourself a favor. Actually do yourself a favor and don't be leaving the live and coming back. Do yourself a favor, actually. That's all I can say. Honestly, I don't know how else to put it. But do yourself a favor. Just do yourself a favor. Just do yourself a favor. Honestly. So every single day of this week, every day I would how would I put this? Every day I'll be sharing, doing live analysis. Just for this week alone, actually. Just for this week alone. Every day I'll be doing live analysis. All right. So that we can trade together for a few hours. Let's just trade together for a few hours. I'll be doing live analysis. Let's just trade together. Let's just trade together. I'll be doing that every day. I think what can help you actually will be what can help you actually is to just join every live session you see. Anyone you see that I'm doing, just join. It's free. Um, it's free actually. So every day of this week, I'll be trading live with you guys. So what you can do to help yourself is, bro, just join. You're not paying any money. Like, you're actually not paying any money. You're actually not paying any money, actually. Like, you're actually not paying any money. Just join. All right. So I'll be doing in the morning. I'll be like uh, early morning better. Um, we can trade together for like start of London session. Let's say 7:30 to like 8:30 every morning. All right. It's not compulsory, oh, but it's just what I want to do to help you guys. So you make money. I want you guys to make money. And it's free. Okay. So starting from today till Friday, I'll be dropping signals. We'll be analyzing the market together. And I'll make it very easy. I'll actually break it down to the list. We'll analyze the trade. I'll make money. Like, I just want you guys to make money actually. I just want you guys to make money. We'll analyze the trade and we'll make money. Do you understand what I'm saying? If that sounds like something you're excited about, type in capital letter, I am excited. In capital letter. If it sounds like something you're actually excited about, all right, type in capital letter, I am excited. If it's something you're excited about, hearing that you'll be trading every day, every single day for the next 1 week for free. And the fortunate thing is I funded the account for many of you guys. Yeah. Totally, we've done almost about I think last I heard it was like 70 something that we have funded so far. Even though it's a little money, but at least we funded some people's accounts. So they'll be able to take the trades, even if it's 0.01 lot size, they'll be able to take trades with us. They'll be able to take trades with us, even if it's 0.01 lot size. Even if it's 0.01 lot size, they'll be able to take trades with us. So I'm expecting that all of you guys will have your accounts ready. So every day of this week, we're going to be trading together. Every day of this week, starting today. Okay. 7:30 to like let's say 8:39 on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Just those days we would trade together. And let's see how we'll make money. I just want us to make money. That's all. No long talk. Just let's make money. What do you think about good funded instance live accounts for $1? I don't know. $1 is a small money. If you can risk it, risk it. I'm just hearing about it now. But if you can actually risk that $1, just risk it. It's a small money. And it's instant live account of $1,000. Try it out. If they pay you when you make profit, good. If they don't, you didn't lose. You just 1,500 naira. It's $1. So try it out. Like just try it out. Okay? Just try it out. Just try it out. That said, let's get into business. Let's get into business. Let's get into business. Let's get into business. Let me delete everything. So what's 4 hours looking like? 4 hours is looking bearish. Oh. Even though we're in a buy zone, what validates a buy zone? This is like a buy zone. We're in a buy zone, but the current trend is a sell trend. So I'll still be trying to sell, sadly, even though we're in a buy zone. Currently, market is selling on the 4 hours. So I'll go to 1 hour. Oh my god. Price is still bearish. Price is still bearish with no exact confirmation. Price is still bearish with no exact confirmation. I mark this place out because if price breaks above it, I would like for a buy. But let's keep going. Let's see what can price likely be doing. Maybe price is trying to form a pattern and we are not seeing the pattern. So look at now, this is a pattern. Um Now, whenever you see channels like this in the markets, are you with me, guys? Whenever you see channels like this in the markets, price is going to do something, but you have to be careful with what price is going to do. Whenever I see channels like this in the markets, I thought the last time, just wait for a breakout into any of the zones. Whether breakout above, I will buy, or breakout below, I will sell. But price will always do something whenever there's a channel like this. And if you are buying, what would be a good place we are buying to? Let's just pick the next high. Next place you're buying to will likely be here. The next high. Where's the next place you're selling to? On the 4 hours will likely be here. The next low. But we'll wait to see a breakout of either of these zones before we trade on it. We'll wait for price to break out. Wait for price to break out of any of these zones. Okay, so wait for the breakout on the channel. Wait for the breakout on the channel, and then you either buy or sell upon the retracement. So that's for GBP USD. Now let's go and look for another pair. I want us to see one trade today at least. So let's trade another pair. Let's trade gold today. So for gold, look at again on the 1 hour. The only reason I didn't drag GBUSD to the 15 minutes, if you check well, the only reason is because 1 hour did not give us a clear direction. As when it gave us a clear direction, I would have told you, oh, 15 minutes will buy, 15 minutes will sell. The only reason I didn't do this is because, but look, most likely 15 minutes will buy actually, and it's going to buy here. Price will do this. It's going to buy here. Fifteen is going to buy here. But let's go to gold. 4 hours on gold. What's it looking like? Ah, 4 hours on gold. Our current swing is bullish. See, higher, low, higher, high. Higher, low, higher, high. Higher, low. We're about to make a higher high. Look at it. Higher, low, higher, high. Higher, low, higher, high. No, higher, low. Price going to give us a higher high. So now we're trying to join the buyers. Since we already know that, what can we do? Look for buy zones on the 1 hour. Look for buy zones. First of all, let's look for the overall target. Supply zone. Supply zone is here. This is one. Another supply zone is here. This is two. Okay. Since that is two, you're trying to buy to any of these zones. Okay. I'm trying to follow the structure of the 1 hour. Ignore this week. Oh. High, low, high, low. So we should see high here. And then a new low. Okay. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame now. We're trying to buy. We're trying to buy, honestly. We're trying to buy. Um, there's no on-field liquidity here. This was the liquidity actually. The price came to clear out before this heavy buy. And price has not formed a new liquidity. Price has not formed a new liquidity. Let me explain what I mean. This was the previous liquidity that price came back to fill up. So the previous liquidity, price came back, cleared it, and then we can see this heavy buy. So there's no new liquidity formed. So we can't use liquidity model to enter. That's number one. There's no new liquidity formed, so we can't use liquidity model to enter. Let's look for another model. Another model would be Fibonacci, which is not bad actually. Fibonacci is not a bad model. It works well. First model liquidity and then it's not ready. Second model Fibonacci, 50% sitting on this retracement. I don't like entering on retracement. I like entering below retracement. So we have from 61.8 to watch out. We have this box to watch out, but where's the most preferred entry there? I don't like entering from other blocks. On good. I don't like entering from other blocks on good. I don't like entering from other blocks on good. Know what I think price will do now? Price will sell. Just like if we sell, we are not wise. We are counter trading. If we sell, the price is going to sell right now. If we sell, we are not wise, but price is going to sell. It's going to sell. Good buy is not ready yet. Also, so we can check back again, but good buy is not ready actually. Good buy is not ready. Let's check another pair entirely. Let's check Euro JPY. Let's leave USD pairs for a moment. Let's see 4 hours. You are bullish. 1 hour. What's the structure? Low, high, low, high, low. So we're trying to create a new high, right? Good. Now in this minor structure, what are we seeing here? In this minor structure, we're seeing low, high, low, high, low, and now pressing to come up. Good. So let's go 15 minutes. We're trying to buy now. Because price gave a gap, filled it a little bit. It didn't fill everything. See, there's still a gap from this high to here. That's unfilled. There's still liquidity here. See, this is an FVG rather, fair value gap. So price has not come back to fill this. So we know the price will come back. Now trying to look for where to join the buyers, follow price up. That's basically what we're looking at now. Where to join the buyers so that we can follow price up. Um, I would like to buy Euro JPY from here, this other block. Very simple. And the reason I'm picking this other block is because already price is ready to move. I just need a trigger. I need a trigger. So we're buying from this other block into this high here. That's 74 pips. Stop loss is, let's put stop loss below this. That's 1:3. 1:3 is not bad. Entry will be 265. Okay, so TP, rather entry 172.245. SL 171.000. Risk to reward is 1 to 3.02. So I'm buying Euro JPY. I'm buying Euro JPY. Okay, so I've shared the parameters on the chart. How many of you guys have seen it? This is for Euro JPY now. Euro JPY is what we are likely to enter first. That's likely to be our first trade for the day. That's likely to be our first trade for the day. That's likely to be our first trade for the day. Let's do one more. Let's do USD card. By the way, someone might be asking, what's the preferred lot size for my account size? What's preferred lot size for your account size? I'll type it right now. Let me type it now. Please just give me 2 seconds. Recommended lot size on all accounts. So account balance $1 to $10. So I'm typing it out. You guys should just hold on, okay? I'm typing out the preferred lot sizes so that people can know what to do. So if you have $100 to $1,000, so if you have $100 to 0.1, you can use 0.1 to 0.5. So if you have $1,001, if you have $1,001 up until 10,000, if you have $10,000, then you should be able to use 0.50 to 5.0, 5.0. There's 1.0 lot size. Sorry, you guys just hold on. I'm trying to put lot sizing for this trade so that nobody will come and tell me, coach, I blew my account. Hello, I did not tell you to blow account too. Okay, it's a 5 lot size. Yes, if you have $10,000, you can use 5 lot size. If you have 10,001 to 50,000 to 50,000, you can use 5.0 lot size to 10 lot size. Conveniently, you can use 10 lot size if you have $50,000. 50,001 to $100,000. Then you should be able to use conveniently 10 lot size, 10.0 lot size to about, let's say, 20 lot size. Okay. I use 20 lot size if you have $100,000. If you have 50,000, I can still use 20 lot size actually. But it's safer. This does not apply. This does not apply to prop oh, for prop firms. Please take notes. Okay. So if you have a 100,000 to like 500K, if you have 500K in your account, then you can use within 20 to 50 lot size without blowing the account. Without blowing the account. Then lastly, if you have between 500,000 to a million, then you can use between 50.0 to 100 lot size. To 100 lot size. If you have $1, in fact, 0.05 is too much, chef. Let me edit it and say 0.03. 0.03. Yes. You have $11. Use 0.03, please, so that you don't blow your account. If you have $1, $2, $3, use 0.03. Don't use more than that, so that you don't blow your account. Okay. If you once as you're increasing your account balance, yes, you can now start increasing your lot size. But till that time, just stick with what I taught you. Till that time, just stick with what I taught you. Don't use more than this lot size. And it does not apply for um it does not apply for anybody that use this. If you use something aside this, you blow your account. In fact, let me include that here. If you disobey my lot sizing rules and blow your account, just cry alone and do not bother informing me, but I won't sympathize with a disobedient student. I will not sympathize with a disobedient student. Okay, that's all I'll say. I'll not say anything else. So, should we do one more pair? Oh, we are okay. Someone is asking a question, important question. He says, "Sir, when do we enter it? Use buy limit." I already taught you how to use buy limit, right? I already taught you how to use buy limit. So buy limit, I showed you how to do it in your chat. Not market execution. Buy limit. The lot size I've told you based on your account balance. I've typed it on the group depending on your account balance. Depends on your account balance. I've typed it on the group based on each person's account balance. I've typed it on the group based on each person's account balance. I've typed it on the group based on each person's account balance. And I've told you the recommended the recommended lot sizing for all account balance types. XAUSD, EURJPY, UPJPY, GBPUSD, USD card. Those are the recommended lot sizing that I will tell you. Let's go for one more. Okay, let's do USD card. USD card. Let's do USD card. Okay. Let's do USD card. One more USD card. Let's go for 4 hours. What's 4 hours looking like? 4 hours is bearish. high, low, high. Price wants to come for a new low, but it did not make the low finish. This looks like a W pattern. That's pattern for change of trend. So in that case, you have to follow the 1 hour trend that says buy. 1 hour trend says buy. You have to follow the 1 hour trend, and if you are buying based on 1 hour trend, let's draw the most recent structure on this. We have low, high, low, high, low, high, and then you're waiting for. I think this is the next low, so we're waiting for a new high, right? Okay, no problem. Now let's go to 15 minutes to look for entry. If we're looking for entry on 15 minutes, what are we supposed to look out for? Liquidity. So this is the liquidity here. This is the liquidity here. And price has cleared it out. That liquidity is above the other block. This is the other block here, and price tapped in from the other block. Though it went down a little bit more, but yeah, tapped in from the other block. So we'll be looking for entry. I like this chart. I like this chart very well. So we have different places for entry. We have different places for entry. We have different zones for entry. One zone will be this should be one zone for entry. Low, high. So yeah, we'll see that price has not broken out of this. We're waiting for price to break out of this retest, and then we'll join price. However, that's one way for entry. There are several others. Oh my god, I like this chart. I don't use trend line, but trend line is one. Third of the trend line is here. That's why you can see price moving up already, right? However, we can use this to form a trend channel. If you use this to form a trend channel, then price is definitely going to break above it actually. Price is definitely going to break above it. However, let's look for entry on the smaller time frame, 5 minutes. See, price has filled up this fair value gap here. So it's not expected to go beyond here. In that case, I'll pick my entry here. The stop loss will be below this. Stop loss is here. That's 7 pips. My take profit will be, let's go to 4 hours. This will be my take profit here. That's 38 pips. So price is about to come. That's USD card. USD card is coming very fast into our entry. Entry is 209. Entry 1.37209. SL 37140. TP 1.37591. That's how many pips was that? 38 pips. This reward is 5.43. USD card is ready. So USD card is also ready for a buy limit. All the parameters on the chart. So quickly set a buy limit on USD card also. So now we have many trades that we are watching. We have USD card that is ready. We have UJPY that is ready. We have USD, USD. UBS, let's say they are not ready. But okay, the SL for EuroJPY, I made a mistake, is 172. EuroJPY, please correct it to. I've corrected EuroJPY. I've corrected EuroJPY, please. Please go and correct EuroJPY. Correct EuroJPY. Correct EuroJPY, please. Correct EuroJPY, please. Correct EuroJPY, please. Everybody, correct EuroJPY now, please. I've corrected EuroJPY on the group. I expect all of you to please correct EuroJPY on the group also. Okay? I expect you to please correct EuroJPY on the group. Please correct EuroJPY on the group. Please correct EuroJPY on the group. So how many of you have enjoyed today's class? I mean, we've given signals out, a lot of signals. You've given a lot of signals out today. You're giving loads of signals today. So we'll do this again tomorrow morning. I want us to trade every day for the next 5 days. All right, starting from today. So today being day one, tomorrow like 5 days trade that term in quotes. And we know the 5 pairs we are looking at, right? So we're looking at USD, we're looking at XAUUSD, we're looking at EuroJPY, we're looking at USD card, we're looking at GBP That's 5 pairs. Yeah. EuroJPY is close to is about to tap in already, Seth. EuroJPY is about to tap in. EuroJPY is about to tap into the charts. USD card is close also, but EuroJPY is very like EuroJPY is just about to tap in. EuroJPY is just about to tap in. Okay. So if it has been impactful so far today, I want you to write in the chat box. Write impact, capital letter. Impact, capital letter. Impact in capital letter. If it has been impactful, I want you to write impact in capital letter. If it has been impactful, I want you to write impact in capital letter. Only Precious Egbe Kuba has written impact. Enaikele Omo Kelvin has written impact. Only two people has gotten value from today's class. That's bad. Or let's say the rest, there's still a delay on their end. We say that Akinloluwa Adeleye impact. Samuel Oyekoya. Hey, this guy is a great guy. Impact. More people, only four people. Sad. Meanwhile, see how many of us are on the call. It's well with all of you. Anyways, we'll see again. I want to believe that it is your network that's delaying. Or maybe you are still on the backside of the live stream. Maybe you have not moved forward. But I want to believe though. So I'll see you at the top, not from the top. Because you know what I said, the bottom is way too crowded, okay? Bottom is way, way, way too crowded. Way too crowded. Trust me. Black impact. All right, you guys. We'll see you again tomorrow. Monitor the charts. I gave you two signals today, Euro JPY and what USD card. Let's monitor both of them today. Euro JPY and USD card. Let's see both of them. And I will document the results, whether it was successful, whether it was not. At least two signals, though we have not entered any of them yet. I only document the ones that has led us in. Samuel Ekore, great guy actually. Samuel is a great guy also. I think all the Samuels I know are great guys. Yeah. So just document actually. I'll document the performance of the trades. You are just trusting in now. We are in April right now, okay? So let's monitor it. We are in on Europe right now. Let's monitor it. We are not yet in on US, no problem. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 7:30 a.m. Joshua Blood Show. So like I said, we're gonna what's the word? We're going to do live stream tomorrow. I mean every day for the next 1 week. And let's see what God will do. Let's make money. I want you guys to make money actually. Have I asked anybody to pay anything since? No. I just want you guys to make money. Honestly. I want you guys to make money. Be like me. Make money. In fact, be better than me. Make more money than I am making. I'm not insecure. I'm not afraid of you making more money than me. It's okay. Okay? That's what I want to say. God will help you. Amen and amen and amen. Bye.